what's goody? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been missing for like 3 days of vlogmas, and if you guys have already read the title, then you know why I've been missing. So I'm actually at the location now, so we're doing a bit of cleaning and stuff. If I kind of show it this way so I can't know which part the location there, safety precautions. But I'm gonna give you guys like a little empty apartment tour for our first apartment. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys like an empty apartment tour. It's a really nice spot. It's a really nice location. As I said, I can't really tell you guys where, but it's somewhere. So I'm also gonna be doing like I'm gonna be doing this like a whole series, so you guys will get to see me make over my room, the kitchen, bathroom, all of that good stuff. But without further ado, I know I look crappy. YouTube, I have on clothes. Let's get into the empty apartment tour. Coming from outside, don't mind the bucket and stuff. You guys are gonna see a few of those because, as I said, we're cleaning. Coming from outside, we enter into you know, from outside we enter into the kitchen. So got a whole lot of storage space, sink, cupboards, all of that good stuff. And coming from the kitchen, let me back it up. So this space, I don't even know what to call this space, but it's actually a bedroom. It's a closet area right here, but it's not. It's like an open concept closet. It's an open concept room, in other words. So it's nice and spacious. I don't know what that, so don't ask me. From the first open concept room, you guys still see the kitchen, and we have this long passage. Cleaning stuff, and then we come into the closed concept bedroom. Now this space is huge. When you can hear me echo, I don't know why the light is flickering like that, but this space is huge. And then the closet area, closed concept closet. Yeah, and then we go to the bedroom, come back, as I said, long passage area. Don't mind the dust, but after that, so there's no light in the bathroom yet. We need to get a bulb, but this is the bathroom area. Nice little bath, sink, regular bathroom. It's pretty spacious. So that's basically the apartment tour. I was gonna change the shower head, but I feel like this is a nice shower head. But yeah, we're gonna do some decorating, cleaning, and I'll take you guys along for the journey. You guys saw in the previous vlogmas videos, don't mind the kids, you guys saw in the previous vlogmas videos where I was grabbing like bits and pieces like curtains and stuff like that. You guys already know I have my headboard, so just the moving process to actually, yes, Amari, to actually move this stuff and get the place set up. So I'm gonna do what I need to do with the cleaning. You guys got an empty, dirty apartment tour. I got the keys. I ain't front, I got the keys. I got my own keys. So yeah, I'm very excited for this journey. I always wanted to experience like apartment life, so let's see how that works out. But yeah, if you guys have any home decor ideas, any home decor companies want to sponsor me, hit your girl up, you know, let me know what you do. Anyways, as I said, I'm gonna go clean. This room, because this room is always echoing, but we've cleaned, we've lit candles and stuff to have the place scented up. We also hung some curtains. I'm going to show you guys the curtains. So I hung some curtains. If you guys remember, in the last couple vlogs, I bought rods and curtains and stuff like that. So these are the curtains. I didn't measure the length of the window, but it's actually perfect. They are perfect. I have some stuff over there. Those are the rest of stuff that I bought. The kettle is already in the kitchen. The kettle is already in the kitchen because, you know, I could not wait to use my kettle. She's already here. We have kitchen towels, you know, we bought some kitchen towels, some pink ones. The cupboards are open so that they can air out. So we have pink kitchen towels, just a bunch of stuff. Let me pour out the water because I do not want anything to happen to my baby. I really love this kettle. But yeah, this is the passage. For the passage, tell me what you guys think. I think I'm gonna like hang photos of us, like me, Blue, whatever, on the walls. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm thinking probably an entrance table somewhere here or there, seeing that the stove and the refrigerator is gonna have to fit somewhere along this space. Yes, we have an ear week. Somewhere along this space because of, well, the fridge definitely has to go somewhere here because of the plug. And then we don't want the stove too far either. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the open concept bedroom though, because my main issue right now is where I'm not a TV girl, but I'm considering to get a TV. So like if this bit wasn't here, I think this used to be a closet. If this bit wasn't here, then it would be perfect because the bed could go here and then the TV there. But seeing that that is there, I don't think the TV is gonna go there anymore. It might have to go in that corner. Unless I put my bed here, which I don't feel like putting my bed here, because if I put my bed here, then I could put the TV there, dresser there. I want to do, you guys know I want a full body mirror, but I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I really wish this wasn't here though. This is the problem. I might leave this an open concept, or we can get plyboards or curtains. I don't know. This, we could get a door here. Nice size for a door. I don't know yet. I don't know. This card I saw earlier that I was like, what is that card? I think this is to get local television. But yeah, this is the little spacey space. You guys already see the bathroom already. We're still not getting a light over there, so we still need to get some bulbs over here. We need to get a bulb over here as well, and for the veranda needs a bulb as well. When I dress up this space, just trust me, guys. Trust me. See the vision with me. Like, let me show you. This is the blanket, right? And that's the curtains. Like, do you guys see the vision? You guys see the vision? You guys see where it's going? So I just need to get my bed and stuff. I think the dresser is gonna go here. But when my things are actually here, then I'll play around with the space and I'll figure out what I want to do. But definitely considering putting wall hangings here. I don't know if we're gonna put like cushions on here so it can be like, Amari's already sitting in here, so I don't know. Also, if we're still gonna put up the Christmas tree this year, this is a nice little space for the Christmas tree. Even with the stove and the fridge here, there's still space for the Christmas tree, which I think is very nice. Or it could still go here until we get the entrance table, because I don't think we're getting the entrance table this week. But yeah, enough vision and something. So I have a couple of things that I've already picked up from Shein. And Amazon. I want to get glass pots to match my kettle. I have a couple of things I've already picked up from Shein, like the toothbrush holder, all of that I want to order. So now that, you know, we're actually approved for the place, then we can get everything situated. So I'm actually about to leave right now because your girl is hungry. So I need to get my lights off. Cut the lights off. Ooh, I'm gonna be scared when I turn off this light. I'm gonna be scared when I turn off the next light. YouTube avant close. But yeah, I think it's gonna be it for the vlog. Let me know, guys, ideas. Like, what do you think I should do in regards to like the space? I'm for about the TV. Should I leave the room open concept? But I'm going privacy. Okay, you know? Let me know what you guys think. But this is it. My first vlog in my new place. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support. You guys know I've been going through all about things. But yeah, we're ending. If you guys know, I never tell you no, but getting my own space was on my vision board for this year. There's a couple more things that's on it. I mean, there's a couple more days left in the month, so I'm gonna see if those happen. But at least we get one thing off of the vision board. I just want to stand up here so all day because I'm so proud of my curtains. I'm probably gonna take them off and press them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.